In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom Studio Effects filters. If you've ever wanted to add a bit of polish or personality to your on-camera look without complicated editing, Zoom's Studio Effects make it simple. These tools let you fine-tune eyebrows, facial hair, and lip color right from the meeting window, with changes previewed live so you can decide what feels natural and professional. Start in a Zoom meeting or in the preview window before you join. On the toolbar, look for the small arrow next to Start/Stop Video. Click that arrow to open your Video Options menu. This menu is where Zoom keeps quick shortcuts to backgrounds, filters, and camera settings, so it's the fastest way in. From that menu, click Choose Video Filters. Zoom opens the Settings panel to the Background and Effects area, focused on filters. You'll see a grid of fun overlays at the top, but the feature we want is a little further down. Scroll down the list until you find Studio Effects. Click it to expand the controls. The first time you use this, Zoom may prompt you to download the effects resources. Allow that so the styles render correctly. Once loaded, you'll see a live preview of your camera feed on the right and detailed options on the left. Now the fun part. In the eyebrow section, pick a style and a color that suits your face shape. Use the color picker and the opacity slider to keep things subtle. A lower opacity usually blends best under typical office lighting. Next, try the mustache and beard section. Choose from light stubble to a full beard and adjust the intensity so it matches your hair tone and looks believable on camera. Finally, set a lip color. You can keep it neutral for a polished, everyday look or try a bolder shade for creative sessions. As you tweak each setting, watch the live preview to make sure everything aligns with your expressions and lighting. A few quick tips as you dial things in. Even front-facing light helps the effects track accurately, especially around the mouth and jawline. If something looks overdone, reduce opacity rather than switching styles completely. Keep your camera at eye level and avoid strong backlight, which can create harsh edges around the effects. Before a big meeting, take 30 seconds in the waiting room to fine-tune. Small adjustments go a long way. And if you want these choices to carry into your next call, select the option to apply effects to future meetings. If not, you can reset everything back to default in the same panel. Remember, Studio Effects apply only inside Zoom. They won't change your appearance in other apps. That's it. Use the Video Options arrow, open Video Filters, scroll to Studio Effects, and customize eyebrows, beard, and lip color to match the vibe you want while keeping things clear, consistent, and camera ready.